What's going on, everybody? Crazy Pop here. Crazy kids are out. Well, they're shooting their fireworks. It's midsummer around 4th of July, so guess what? They have fireworks, but they'll be here in a little bit to try this out. We're going to try something a little different today. Smashburgers, of course, but we're going to do a little midsummer. I mean, hey, it's summer. Pulled pork barbecue, burgers. Let's put them together. So, we're going to make classic smashburgers. We're going to take some homemade pulled pork barbecue, stuff right in between it there on some toasted buns with some melted cheese. I'm getting hungry just thinking about this. So let's show you what we're gonna cook with. But before we do, hit that subscribe button right down below, that one right down there. And hit that thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up. And get all that done and we'll be back. This recipe here is pretty straightforward. We're gonna make 2 smash burgers. Well, it's gonna be a double smash burger. So we got about 4 ounce balls of hamburger meat there. Some big old buns to put them on, and some Monterey Colby Jack cheese. And of course we have some butter to toast the bread up with. And there's gonna be that delicious homemade pulled pork barbecue that we got. And a little bit of salt and pepper, season everything up. So let's get putting this thing together. All right, the first thing we wanna do is go ahead and throw our burgers out here. We're gonna take our press. We're just gonna press them, smash them down. Get a good sear on them things. Got an awesome smell already. And it won't take these long to cook, that's for sure. You flatten them out like this. Set that out to the side. Let that cook for a minute. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and get a little barbecue, go ahead and get it warmed up over here. Now I'll leave a link down below or a card, one of them iCard thingamajiggies, little white things that pop up on top. What's it? It'll be right side of your corner of how we make our barbecue. How we make our pulled pork barbecue out of Boston butts. So if you want to see that, it'll be there. Just let this thing brown up a little bit. While they're browning up, let's add a little salt and pepper. Well, I guess pepper and then salt, huh? This barbecue's already done. All we're trying to do here is just warm it back up. Man, it's gonna be good. Crazy kids said they're gonna come try them out when they're done. They probably will. I tell you what, let's go ahead and give these things a flip. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and throw some cheese on them. We'll throw down some butter. Toast our buns up. Because who don't love a good toasted bun? Make a little room for them there. Get this barbecue a good stir here. Getting all that hamburger grease. Can't be bad now. We just want to get a little light toast on these buns. Let's check them out. They're getting there. That'll toast just a little bit longer. All right, let's check our buns out. Oh yeah, that's about where we want them. That'll be good. I'll tell you what we will do now. Bring this over here in the frame where you can see it. All right, let's go ahead and put some patty on the bottom here. A little bit of barbecue in between them there. Look at that. And patty on top. There's some leftover barbecue there. You can make a little barbecue sandwich or something out of it. We'll put this over to the side. And there you go. What y'all think of that? Now, all we have left to do now is try it out. Well, they're done, and guess what? Some of the crazy kids showed up to try them out. You already tried these things? Think they'll be good? I mean, y'all like barbecue, right? Mm-hmm. You like barbecue? You like hamburgers? Yep. You love Smashburgers, I know. Mm-hmm. All right, well, guess what I got?
A barbecue hamburger Smashburger?
Yeah, and a knife. So, now I'm going to cut one in half and let y'all try it out.
I want this one because it has a lot of barbecue.
He wants this messy one. Ooh, it's messy. And hot on the bottom, too. Ooh. Okay. I'll tell you what, we'll cut this one. All it needs now is a big old runny egg on it. All right, Bryson, it's real hot, buddy. Okay. Grab it up, man. I tell you what, Bryson, I'm gonna cut you a little piece off of it because that bottom, it really is hot, okay?
It really is.
I know it. Here you go. Try it out real quick, both hands. All right, y'all try that. Serious thing, I'm gonna try this piece here, y'all left over.
It is good.
And greasy, wow. But man, that barbecue, a Smashburger, the toasted bun. Wow. You all definitely have, I say this every time, but you'll definitely have to try these too. You do. So, now what do we do? What do they need to do?
Like, subscribe, hashtag Crazy Crew to become part of it.
Yep. And leave us a comment down below what you think. Because I tell you what, these are good. I know it was a quick video, but man, it don't take long to put together something really delicious like this. So I tell you what, y'all get all that done, we're gonna get this done. See you next time.